Before Randall jumps in, quick context on what you're about to hear. He's 10 weeks in. That's where Randall is now, and it's where this episode lives. Up to this point, most of the videos have been about figuring things out, figuring out the platform, the mechanics, the structure. This one's a little bit different. This is the week things start to all come together and click. You'll hear him talk about gear selection, picking the right diagonal variant for what the market is actually doing, not what you wish it was doing. That's a concept I introduce early in the curriculum, and it's one of the last things to fully sink in with students. When a student starts forming that read on their own, before I call it in the alerts, that's the signal that the pattern recognition is real and the classes are working. He'll also reference Option Trader's Assistant. I published a full walkthrough of OTA on this channel just this week. So if you want to see what he's describing in that video, go check it out on my channel. Here's Randall.
Welcome back. I am Randall, and every week I give you an honest look at what it's like to go through the diagonal trading curriculum. Following Steve Gann's live trade alerts, tracking everything in real time through Options Trader's Assistant, and documenting my actual experience of really learning this structured income trading from scratch. So 10 weeks ago, my knowledge of diagonal spreads was somewhat limited. I've done a few of those trades over the course of my time, but I would say this week I watched one get opened. It got adjusted and managed in real time, and I understood every decision as it happened. So that is what 10 weeks actually feels like, going through the curriculum from beginning to end. And with that said, I want to spend a minute or two on something I've referenced in pretty much almost every episode, but not really fully explained. So Option Trader's Assistant is a fantastic platform. When I started this journey, OTA, or Option Trader's Assistant, felt like learning to really drive in more of this foreign country. The platform is very purpose-built for complex multi-leg option trades, really the kind that most brokerage platforms were really never designed to handle cleanly, in my opinion. OTA, it tracks every leg, every adjustment, every closed position, all in one place. And the P&L diagram updates in real time and really never loses the history of what really came before that. So for the first few weeks, I was just trying to keep up with it. And then this week, something shifted. I was navigating it without really thinking. I was pulling up different positions. I was reading the diagram, really following the adjustments as they had happened. So it really started to feel more like second nature, right? And Steve actually published a full public walkthrough of the platform this week on YouTube. So I definitely encourage you to take a look at that. If you're curious what it looks like really from the inside out, it's definitely worth watching. But what I will say is overall what the market just taught me this week, I would say more or less the past few weeks have been anything but ordinary, right? The market ran off the top of my head 13% in 14 days and really has had really one of the most unusual moves in recent history. And I've been pretty actively trading through these ups and downs. And what I really wanted to share is not necessarily the outcome of any specific trade, but I want to share what it felt like to watch the decision-making process hold steady through all of that. Every adjustment, every reposition, every call, just to stay in or really take a step back. It all really traced back to the same framework, the same questions, the same structure every single time. So the market was doing something that even experienced traders said they had never seen before. And really the process never changed. I guess one position that had been under real pressure for weeks was eventually resolved for basically nothing, a few dollars after commissions. And I would say after what looked for a while like a bigger loss, the outcome came just from patience and precision, not necessarily luck. I filled that one away and it was great just to close it out. But I would say the gear for me really started to click this week. One of the concepts introduced early in the curriculum as I started my journey is really what I think of as a gear selection, choosing the right variation of the strategy based on what the market is actually doing at the time of entry, not what you hope it will do, not what it did necessarily last week, but what it's doing right now. And after 10 weeks of really watching this applied to the trades, I'm starting to feel that instinct develop, that muscle memory. And when I see a setup, I'm starting to have a read on which configuration fits the environment before Steve even states it in his alerts. And sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm not. But the fact that I'm forming that read at all just really tells me the curriculum is doing exactly what it is supposed to do. And that is not something you can really rush through, right? You have to see enough trades, enough conditions before the pattern recognition starts to build. And I would say 10 weeks in, it is starting to build. And there was also a new trade right back at it, right? What I mean by that specifically is late in the week after the Fed meeting cleared and major earnings came in strong. Steve opened a brand new flight diagonal trade. The market ended up gapping higher almost immediately, and a same day adjustment was actually made. And for me, no hesitation took place, no stepping back to reassess whether the strategy is still making sense. Just really a clean entry, a quick read on the new conditions, and a decision made from the overall framework that we're taught. It was through that rhythm, enter, monitor, adjust when needed, and just stay focused in on the process and really what the whole system's built upon. And watching it really restart after one of the most unusual stretches I've seen so far made it feel more real than any other course module could. So I guess with that said, I'm 10 weeks in, and what I understand now is something I did not understand 10 weeks ago. It's not just the mechanics of the trades, it's the mindset behind them, the patience, the process discipline, the ability to stay in the framework when the market is doing something that does not make sense to anyone, even some of the most experienced traders. So that is what this curriculum is actually teaching me in real time, and I'm starting to feel it. And so I'll keep you posted. Week 11 is next. Still in it, still learning. I'm Randall. I'll see you there. Cheers.
10 weeks, the mechanics, the platform, the gear selection, it doesn't come from reading about it. It comes from sitting in those trades week after week until the pattern starts forming on its own. That's what you just watched. If you want to see what other students are saying about this approach, about diagonal trading, about the alerts, take a look at our Trustpilot reviews on this page. There's a QR code on the screen. Just simply point your phone at it and read them for yourselves. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.